Christmas Island's most famous residents are her 10-legged ones, the crabs. Most of the island's crabs come from the same scientific group, and apart from varying carapace tones, red, blue, brown and purple, they look fairly similar. There are at least 20 species of land crab on the island, the most famous of which is the red crab. Tens of millions of these bright red land crabs live in their various preferred shady sites all over the island. Red crabs are quite big, with an adult body shell measuring up to 116 millimeters across, and the claws are equal in size. Their annual migration to the sea to spawn has been described by Sir David Attenborough as one of the 10 greatest natural wonders on Earth. Males lead the first wave of the downward migration and are joined by females along the way. After a dip in the sea, the females meet their mates in burrows on the beach where mating occurs. Each female can brood as many as 100,000 eggs, which they usually release around dawn, around the turn of the high tide. The eggs hatch immediately on contact with the seawater, and clouds of larvae swirl near the shore before being washed out to sea. It's difficult to miss the largest resident crab species on Christmas Island, robber crabs, which are really enormous, growing up to 400 millimeters across and weighing as much as 4 kilograms. Their colour varies from light violet to deep purple, purplish blue or orange-red to brown, and it's not related to what age or sex they are. Robber crabs are seen in many other tropical countries, but Christmas Island claims the world's largest population. They can be found all over the island in all available habitat types. They are bold creatures, living up to their name and closely related to hermit crabs. Despite their bulk, they are under threat, with crab numbers severely reduced in the 1990s by invasions of the exotic yellow crazy ant. Another threat to these giants is the increase in traffic on the island's roads, and residents are now encouraged to slow down and drive around. One of the other species of crab to be found on Christmas Island in large numbers is the blue crab. Slightly larger than the red crab, they can be found in the wetter parts of the island, including the beautiful Dales and on the walk to Dolly Beach. Together, the island's crabs keep the forest floor clean, eating the leaf litter of their rainforest habitat. To help preserve this natural wonder, all crabs on Christmas Island are protected. In early 2013, a rare crab was rediscovered on the island by a visiting photographer. The rediscovery of the white-striped crab, not seen in 25 years, generated great excitement on the island and in the greater scientific community. Who knows what might be discovered next? For more information about Christmas Island's crabs, visit the website at christmas.net.au.